Imagine you have to analyze huge amount of business data, hundreds of gigabytes, but you don't want to deal with servers, hardware, or complicated SQL setups. Well, there is one simple solution for all that: Snowflake, the cloud platform that handles everything, which is super fast and super simple. In this video, we will cover the basics of Snowflake, its architecture overview, why Snowflake is different from traditional data warehouses. So make sure to watch till the end without skipping. So, what exactly is Snowflake? To put it simply, Snowflake is a super smart cloud data warehouse. Traditional data warehouses have several limitations: slow scaling, time consuming maintenance, expensive hardware. But Snowflake solves all of that because of its a cloud native platform, and it offers auto scaling compute resources and separates storage and compute. That means you can increase processing speed anytime without worrying about hardware or servers. For example, companies like Netflix and Live uses Snowflake for real-time analytics. Next, Snowflake architecture. Snowflake has three main layers. First, database storage layer. This is where your data is stored. It supports formats like JSON, CSV, and Parquet. Second, compute layer. This layer runs your queries through virtual warehouses that you can scale up or down as needed. Third, cloud service layers. It manages security, metadata, query optimization, and authentication. The fun fact here is, since storage and compute are completely separate, increasing storage capacity won't slow down your query speed, and vice versa. Snowflake uses multi-cluster shared data architecture, which means multiple virtual warehouses can access the same data simultaneously. That's why Snowflake is fast, flexible, and cost-effective. Next, key features of Snowflake. The first one is time travel. It recover old or deleted data easily. Second one, zero copy cloning. It instantly clone tables or databases without using extra storage. Third, data sharing. Securely share data between different Snowflake accounts. Fourth, support for semi-structured data. It seamlessly store and query JSON, Parquet, XML, and more. Next and final one, auto scaling and performance optimization. Snowflake automatically scales compute resources when workloads are increasing. In short, Snowflake is the perfect platform to manage data, simple, fast, and secure. How is Snowflake is used in real-world scenarios? Analytics. For building BI dashboards and identifying business trends. ETL or ELT pipelines. For transforming data before analysis. Machine learning. Feeding clean data into ML models. Data sharing. Secure sharing data between organizations. For example, Capital One uses Snowflake to analyze credit card transactions in real time. Sony Music uses it to analyze global streaming data. Because of this, companies can make data-driven decisions faster and reduce costs significantly. So, in this video, we learned about Snowflake basics, architecture overview, key features, real-world use cases. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. If you want to learn the full-length Snowflake course, contact us the number shown below or visit our Hyderabad branches. See you in the next video.